Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the amazing city of Busan, located in the south of South Korea. And today is also a very special day because it's December 31st, which means it's the last year of 2019.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So buckle up, prepare your popcorn and relax because we're going to explore what this city has to show us. No way I'm going to touch his belly. Well, beautiful people, we just got to this temple whose name I'm not even gonna try to pronounce because I'm pretty sure that I'll get it wrong, so I'll just put it down here. This temple was built over 700 years ago, and then it got destroyed during the Japanese invasion to Korea, and it was rebuilt again in 1930s. It is one of the only temples in South Korea that is actually built by the sea, which in my opinion makes it even more beautiful than it already is. Just the location where it stands, it's a great place to take pictures, it's a great place to meditate, it's a great place to visit, to be honest. It took me about 1 or 1.5 hours to get to this place from where I'm staying, which is the center part of Busan. I came by bus, and each bus comes every 3 to 15 minutes depending on which line you're taking, and it's also fairly cheap to come here. It's about $3, which honestly, from what I've been experiencing here, South Korea is much cheaper than Japan in both public transport also and in food. My first thought after seeing this place with all the rocks piled on each other is why? And who did all of this? I mean, there's hundreds of them. Look at that. Asia never ceases to amaze me. This is my bus. Today's a beautiful day. There's not a single cloud inside. It's sunny, but don't let that fool you because we're actually right now at -1 degree Celsius since it's December, and apparently it is very cold in South Korea, so keep that in mind if you ever plan to come here during December. That I just showed you is a little bit of what there's to see in the Busan Museum of Art. And honestly, if I can say something, is that I don't understand modern art at all. A guy once told me that it's not about what you see, it's about what it makes you feel. But the only thing that I feel when I see it is confusion. beautiful people, that's going to be it for today's video. I always forget to record an outro when I'm outside, so this is it. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. For a while now, I have wanted to ask you if you would like to see something in these videos, like a particular aspect of a city, if you would like to know about what kind of money they use or something like that. Please, if you have any suggestions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to check it out, and maybe for next video I can do it for you guys. But for now, that's going to be it on my part. I hope that you keep having a fantastic day, and as always, keep on growing.